for a small amount of time. Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Faiz and welcome back to my new video. So guys, today is Monday and it's almost 10 p.m. And today video topic is English speaking challenge and I think it's part 8. And I try to make I try to make whole this I try to make whole video in English because this is part 8 and I must know English so much that I can make a complete video in English. Okay, so I choose to make this video in English and I will do some basic discussion and share my thoughts on different things. Okay, and basically I try to speak English and commonly. Okay, so main twist of the video is the I have to speak in English and discuss my thoughts in English, which is very difficult for me right now because it's 10 p.m. and my brain is so tired and English speaking is also very hard topic for me. I almost done 7 parts I think, and I am still doing it like it's my first try. So it's very hard to do, and I think 2 minutes are passed. I have to minimum speak. I have to speak minimum for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes and 2 minutes are passed. So remaining are 3 minutes left. I am. You guys guess how much I am confused right now. That I am. That no other things are coming in my mind. Just expect this challenge, expect speaking English, or expect the time remaining because I this. Because if I started the topic, started a different topic, then I have to use different words together, which is very difficult for me. So let's start some topic. Let's be brave and start some topic. So first of all, we have to talk about phone addiction. Phone addiction is very bad thing because using your phone 12 hours a day can make your eyes weak. You can lose your interest in daily life things, and can lose your you can lose your focus, and you can not able to focus things for a little time, for a small amount of time, because normally we have to watch we have to watch reels on the mobile nowadays. So when we watch reels, so we all know reels have a low watch time spans, low watch time span. So everyone everyone's brains is trained to not to focus on one thing. Like when you watch, I think less than for a minute, how it can be stored in your mind properly. So if you watch multiple things on different topics at the same amount of time, like watching something for 30 seconds is literally nothing. And if if you watch different things, if you watch 20 things in 30 seconds, how brain can process 20 different type of things in 30 seconds, in 10 minutes, 20 different type of things in 10 minutes. The brain mismanage all the things, and you may also notice it, if when you watch knowledgeable reels, when you watch knowledgeable reels, you will forget all the things you learned in less than 5 minutes, because your brain is not focused at learning. It is just focusing on endless scrolling. So you have to control your phone addiction, at least not to watch reels. You can watch documentaries, education documentaries, and today we have online lectures on all the things. We can learn any skill from the internet that helps to grow our career, that helps to make our future bright. So use your phone, and but in limits. So it will not used to destroy your life, but instead it helps you to make your life beautiful and make you a successful person. So using phone is a good thing, but having bad phone addiction is very dangerous for your health, for your brain, and for your future. So you have to control your phone addiction. People think I use the phone most, but I normally do editing and making videos on my phone. So it also takes time, but it is a useful skill. Editors also earn money. Editing is a proper field. So this is a skill, and like mobile editing is not a professional skill. We have to at least we have to know about Premiere Pro and After Effects, at least to become a professional editor. And you also know mobile editors are commonly available nowadays. So if we want to become a professional editor, we must have knowledge of Premiere Pro, After Effects, and DaVinci Resolve. So I am trying to learn all these things, and maybe I make videos on these, on learning on this. Like I tried learning DaVinci Resolve in a week challenge. Like this is looking very easy, but it is very hard for me, because nowadays I have no time even for an hour to take my university lectures properly. Then how I can manage time to take to learn DaVinci Resolve, a professional editing software, in a week? So this is so challenging for me. May it not look challenging for someone who has no other task instead of editing, but it is so challenging for me, at least. So I have to end this topic right now, because this is a sleeping time, and you can hear the background noises. So I have to end this video right now. I will meet you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.